sir.
What is the form?
tan
Infinity minus
infinity
infinity.
minus
Infinity
infinity.
minus
Infinity,
infinity.
yes. Very good, very good. Thank you. So it is infinity minus infinity because 10 of pi is infinity and x is pi by 2. So pi and 5 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Only sec of pi by 2 remains. What is sec of pi by 2? 1 upon cos of pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 is 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. So infinity minus infinity. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And therefore now we have to convert it to which form? Either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So what we have to do? We have to take LCM. So which are the functions which can be written in the proper format? This is limit f x goes to pi by 2. What can be 10x written as? So that I
Sine
can think.
upon cos.
Correct. So this sin x upon cos x minus 2x upon cos x into pi. Is this okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And now what you will do? You will have to cross multiply. So cross multiply and see what you get. This is still not in 0 by 0 form. This is again the same thing. Na? So it is infinity minus infinity form only. यहाँ पे अभी मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, taking the LCM. So limit as x goes to pi by 2. Take the LCM. What is the meaning of LCM? Cross multiply. Cos x is same. What is extra? Pi. So pi sin x minus 2x upon cos x into pi. Now check what is the form. Everyone? Yes. Answer is 2 by 1. Very good. Quickly. So pi sin x minus 2x upon cos x pi, which is the form. Put x is equal to pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So denominator is becoming 0. Numerator
0 upon 0.
0 upon 0. Very good. So 0 upon 0. Because sine of pi is 1. That means pi minus 2 by pi. Minus 2 by pi. If you want, you can write it there. I'll write it there. So this sine pi by 2 minus 2 into pi by 2 divided by cos of pi by 2 into pi. But what is sine pi by 2? It is 1. So this pi. 2 gets cancelled. Pi minus pi divided by cos of pi by 2 is 0.
0.
So it is 0 by 0. Is it okay? So you have to apply now L. So apply L. Tell me what the answer. Final answer was got it. Apply
-2, ma'am.
what did you say? L is equal to limit as x goes to pi by 2. This I have done calculation to show how it is 0 by 0. Huh? Now you have to apply the L rule to the function pi sin x minus 2x. So it's pi cos x minus 2 divided by pi
Minus pi sin x.
minus pi sin x. Yes. Now put the value of x is equal to pi by 2. So L becomes pi cos of pi by 2 minus 2 upon minus pi sin pi. Cos of pi by 2 is 0. So first term will become 0. So minus 2 upon minus pi sin pi by 2 is 1. So answer is 2 pi pi. Is this clear with you? Many students have got
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
2 by
ma'am.
pi. Okay, good. So L is equal to 2 by pi. So again, I'll repeat what we have to do. Whenever we have infinity minus infinity or 0 into infinity, first we have to convert it to either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form.
Yes.
And then apply hospital rule. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please complete it fast.
Yes.
Go to the next and last type of indeterminate forms. If you have finished, please tell me.
Ma'am, why did we not differentiate it with U by V rule?
Which one you are saying? Here.
Ma'am, after no, the next one. The next
Yeah.
next side, yeah. Why did we not differentiate it by U by V rule?
Why did we? I will have to differentiate it because now already you are saying this one. This I taken the derivative of numerator separately and denominator separately. That you are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
What is L hospital rule? L hospital rule says that your limit as x goes to a, f of x upon g of x. If this is f of
Yeah,
a,
yeah. Okay, okay,
got
okay.
it?
Sorry,
Got it?
sorry.
Huh?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it is f dash of a upon g dash of a. And that's why you have to take the derivative of the numerator separately and derivative of the denominator
Yeah,
separately.
yeah, I got it.
That's
Sorry.
okay, fine. No, it's happened. When you are the link is gone now, but one day. Okay. So 2 by 5 is your answer. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Now let's go to the last form of indeterminate limits, that is exponential. So can anyone tell me what do you mean by exponential? Exponential का meaning और यहाँ पे powers की meaning क्या है? The indeterminate form may have something in power. So which are those forms?
0 raised to 0.
0 raised to 0, 1
1
raised to
raised to infinity.
yes, and
E raised to x.
yeah, e raised to x is one example, and where x is going to, you can say, but e raised to x will be definitely what finite value, na? It may go to 0 or it may go to infinity. Then x is going to infinity. But
Yeah.
exponential means e raised to x. तो वो यहाँ पे कैसे related है? Something raised to. That's why these are called as exponential form indeterminate limits. Is it okay?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, again, can I apply directly L hospital rule to this forms? This is function raised to
No.
function. Yeah. So it is f of x raised to p of x. I cannot directly apply derivatives also. What? How do we find derivative of such type of functions?
Log and anti-log.
Very good. You first take log, then that jx will come down, and then we do the yes. Then we do the what you say differentiation. Absolutely right. So when we do that, when we apply log, what will happen? G of x will come in product like this. So this is what log of a will become this limit will be there. G of x into log of x. So let's see. Now also it is not directly in 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. What is it is product? It is product. So it will be 0 into something infinity form, 0 into infinity form. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for this, if I want to convert it to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, I will write it like this. Whatever is the limit x going to, I write it as log f of x. I cannot take log as a denominator. Can anybody tell us?
Because
If I take
its derivative will be infinite.
very good. Its derivative will become lengthier. 1 upon log of f of x. Now, so I take this g of x in the denominator as 1 upon mu of x. And then there is a chance that it will become infinity by infinity or 0 by 0. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So again, whenever it is exponential, first we have to take log. Whenever it is exponential or indeterminate form, we have to take first log. Then one of the function will come down, which will become 0 into infinity form. Then we have to get it in the denominator as 1 upon the function, which will give you either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, and then we can apply L'Hopital rule. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start with the examples now. Take down the first example. And given all three together. So let's see which form it is first. Then we will try to solve the example. So first example is evaluate limit if x goes to 0 and x goes to 0. 1 by x raised to x. 1 by x raised to x. Simple one. Limit as x goes to 0, 1 by x raised to x. 1 by x raised to x. So what is the form?
Infinity raised to 0.
Yes, 1 by 0 is infinity, x is 0. So this is infinity raised to 0. So what you will do, this is your n. Whenever you have function raised to function, first step is apply log on both sides. Log of n is equal to limit as x tends to 0, x log of 1 by x. X log of 1 by x. So just see now here, it is a product. What is the product? X is 0 and log of 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinity. Log infinity is infinity.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? So this is 0 to infinity form. I cannot apply n was to rules. What I have to take one function in the denominator. Which one? So which
Ma'am, e
function?
to power 1 is the answer of
E की power
1. E
final
to
answer
power
है?
1 is
Final
yes.
answer क्या करेंगे? I think so. E to the power 0. Let's check. I'm not sure. Log of 1 by x can be written as minus log of x. And this is 1 by x. Just check. Log of a by b is log a minus log b. Correct? Log of a by b is log a minus log b. But what is a? 1. So log of 1 minus log of x, which is log 1 is 0, so minus 1. Is this okay? So you get
Yes,
log of
ma'am.
1 by x is minus 1 x. And that's why now you check what is the indeterminate form of log n. Log n का indeterminate form क्या है? When you put x is equal to 0, log 0 is infinity and 1 by 0 is infinity. So infinity by infinity form.
Yes.
So you can apply this now.
Yes.
So apply and see what is the answer. Therefore, log is now become yes derivative of the numerator minus as it is. What's the derivative of log x?
1 by
1 by
And what's the derivative of 1 by x?
minus 1 by x square.
minus 1 by x.
Minus 1 by x. So minus and minus cancels. 1x will get cancelled. So limit f is equal to 0. It is 1 upon 1 upon x. That means it is x. Correct now? Limit is x goes to 0. X. So this is 0. So log n is 0. So n is empty log e raised to 0. What is e raised to 0? 1. Is this okay? Everyone? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
E raised to 0 is 1. So now you tell me without solving, I'm telling this thing, without solving, what's the answer of this? Limit as x goes to infinity, x raised to 1 by x. Without solving, can you tell me what's the answer of this? Hello? Hello?
0.
Ma'am, Z.
Same. 1.
Yes.
Same.
Same
One.
it is.
One.
Can you see that? The same question. Just see here. Limit x was 1 to 0, 1 by x is to x. The limit is 1 to infinity. So if I put 1 by x as y, what this question will become? This question will become limit x अगर infinity को जा रहा है तो 1 by infinity कहाँ जाएगा 0. So y is going to 0 and this will become 1 by x to y. So it is same like the question. There is nothing different, isn't it? So answer of this is also 1. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
that's the way you should be able to understand it. Once you have solved this, immediately this value will be 1. They are same. X is going to infinity and x is going to 0 here. 1 by x is replaced by x or 1. Okay. Now take the next question. Let's see whether you are able to identify. Finish writing or should I wait?
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Fine. So now you try to solve this question. Evaluate. Limit as x goes to 0, a plus x upon a minus x raised to 1. Limit as x goes to 0, a plus x upon a minus x whole raised to 1 by x. What's the form? You identify that first and then
N raised to
solve.
infinity.
Correct. Give that answer.
Raised to infinity.
Yes. This form is 1 raised to infinity. Put correct. If you put x is equal to 0, this is a plus 0 upon a minus 0. A plus 0 upon a minus 0 is to 1 by 0. That becomes equal to a gets cancelled. But what's the form? 1 raised to infinity is the form. Is it clear,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, good. So now to yes, Om, tell me please.
Yes, ma'am.
Now which what you both side what you have to apply?
Sorry.
Now what's the next step? What you are going to apply on both sides?
Log means we are
Yes.
we are going.
Apply log.
Sorry.
Yes. Go ahead. Apply log on both sides. We get log n is equal to limit as x tends to 0, 1 by x log a plus x upon a minus x. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is the form?
Infinity into 0.
Very good. Because 1 by 0 is infinity and x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, you get log 1, log 1 is 0. Therefore, it is 0 into infinity. That's why I wanted to. Yeah. So now, please tell what's the next step there?
Infinity by infinity or 0 by 0.
Correct. Very good. So log of a plus x upon a minus x will be written as this in the numerator divided by x. 1 by x, it's not divided by x. Na?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it okay? Yeah. So now it is in 0 by 0. Because denominator is 0, numerator is 8 by 8, 1 log of 1 is also 0. So you can apply now the rule. Apply the rule.
Ma'am, e raised to minus 2 by a will be answer.
Absolutely. Very good. Correct. So be active this way. I will also interact with you. So log n is equal to this. Hence we can apply the rule and we get the answer as log n is equal to derivative of the numerator, that is log of a plus x upon a minus x. What's the derivative of log? 1 upon. So this will become reverse. Please see this step carefully. Those who have not understood. Log of a plus x upon a minus x, derivative is 1 upon this function. So 1 upon means it will become reciprocal. Numerator will come, denominator will try, and denominator will go in the numerator. So it is a minus x upon a plus x. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Into derivative of this function. Derivative of a plus x upon a minus x. Here I am going to 2 by 2. And what's the derivative of x?
1.
1. So derivative of x is 1. Very good. I'm not missing because it's u by the rule. So do it and you get the answer. So derivative of a plus x upon a minus x is a minus x b into derivative of u. That is 1. A is constant. The derivative 1. Minus a plus x as it is into derivative of denominator, that is minus 1 on b square minus x the whole square. Is this okay? U by v rule I have used. B into derivative of u.
Can't we do like log
Yes.
a plus a minus log a minus a separate?
Yeah, absolutely. Very good. Yes, Aditya. That
That's
also
easy
that
way.
also will give the answer. Oh, we can do that. Yes, what you say, write this as log a by b and log a minus log b, and then still you have to take the LCM now. Just check. Which both the ways you get the answer same. Whichever you feel is simple, you can go on. Not a problem.
And if we take log a minus log b, that a will be cancelled.
How?
No, it will not cancel.
In log of a plus x.
It's not cancelled because it is inside log.
Okay, okay.
Log of, okay, after taking LCM. So obviously derivative. So what is the derivative of this? Derivative of this is 1 upon a plus x minus 1 upon into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of this is 1 upon a minus x into minus. So we have to take x. So it is 1 upon a plus x minus of minus plus 1 upon a minus x. If you put x is equal to 0, you are getting the answer. Yes, correct. This derivative becomes 30. You write this from a plus x upon a minus x. x log a plus x minus log a minus x in this absolutely right. Both the ways we can argue say. Let me know that. Others? Or should I do this way? This is becoming the number of steps of this place. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me write down this as here. So let me write down this as limit as x tends to 0 log of a plus x minus log of a minus x divided by x, which is again 0 by 0 form. And therefore, apply the rule of differentiation. We get 1 upon a plus x minus 1 upon a minus x into minus 1. And therefore, this will become limit as x tends to 0, 1 upon a plus x plus 1 upon a minus x divided by 1. Putting the value of x is equal to 0, L becomes log L becomes. Log L becomes x is equal to 0, 1 by a plus 1 by a, that is 2 by a, but this is log L. So what is L? E raised to 2 by a. E raised to 2 by a. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Got it.
Yeah. Now, one general mistake that students do in such type of examples is that they write down the answer as 2 by a. This is present in the option. When it is an objective type exam, 2 by a is present in the option. And since you got the answer, you quickly take them. But what is asked? Log L is not asked. L is asked. So answer is E. You have to take exponential. Anti-log on both sides. So E raised to 2 by a. Is that okay? Please, whenever you are going to answer your online exam, MCQ based, please recollect that the question is on L and not log of L. That's why you will have to take anti-log and that will be your final answer. Is it okay? Many times, many of the students, they say 0 is the answer, but E raised to 0, 1 is the answer. So don't do such type of mistakes because that is 2 marks question and simply includes the marks. Fine? Okay. Next, please take down the next example. Evaluate limit as x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0. A raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3 whole raised to 1 by x. Try this one. And by then I'll try to give another example also. Identify the forms first and then try to solve the question. Which is the first question? Which type it is?
1 raised to
1 raised to
infinity.
infinity.
Very good. So 1 raised to infinity form.
Ma'am.
Apply log. Yeah.
E raised to ln abc by 3.
So remove E and ln, na? You'll get the answer. ABC raised to 1 by 3 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. You try some of these questions also. I'll give you. X raised to limit x. X goes to 1. Limit x goes to 1. X raised to 1 by x raised to 1 upon x minus. These are simple and big also. The first one, yes, L is equal to this is of the form. What the form is 1 x is 0. So A raised to 0 is 1, B raised to 0 is 1, C raised to 0 is 1. So it will become 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3. So that is 1 divided by 1 by 0. It becomes 1 is to infinity. Okay, the form is 1 is to infinity. So first example, apply log on both sides. Log is limit of x is to 0. 1 by x log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x. Already discussed. Log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x upon x, which is directly can say denominator is 0, numerator is a raised to 0, b raised to 0, c raised to 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, log 1 is 0. 0 by 0. Is it okay?
Yes.
Arjun,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so log a is log this, and therefore take the derivative now. Apply a simple. So log n is equal to no del do you want to simplify this like the previous example? Log a by b can be written as limit of x goes to 0. Log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x minus log of 3 divided by x. Divided by x. So that derivative of log 3 will become 0 as it is constant. As it is constant, log of 3 derivative will be 0. Okay. So what will happen? Limit x tends to 0. Log of b raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x का derivative क्या होगा? Please tell me. What's the derivative of log a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x?
1 upon a
1 upon a raised to x plus b raised
1
to x
upon
plus c raised
raised to x plus c raised to x.
into a raised to x log of a
Correct.
plus b raised to x log b
Correct.
plus c raised to x log c.
Very good. Very good. Okay. And derivative of log 3 is 0. Divided by derivative of x, that is 1. Now, since denominator is 1, that means your final answer will complete this step. So log n is equal to, there is no need to apply one velocity. So put x is equal to 0. This is a raised to 0 plus b raised to 0 plus c raised to 0. Into bracket a raised to 0 log a plus b raised to 0 log b plus c raised to 0 log c. Is it okay? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is anything raised to 0 is 1. So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 into log of a plus log of b plus log of c. Since what's the reason? A raised to 0 is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. And that's why this will become, what is the formula of log a plus log b plus log c? Log of
a.
very good. Upon 1 by. So take this in the power. Log n is equal to log of ABC raised to 1. This I can write in the power of x. I am taking anti-log taking anti-log, both sides taking anti-log, we get n is equal to a b c raised to 1. We get a b c raised to 1 by 3 times. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? सबको
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि उसका आंसर आपको 2 सेकंड में देना पड़ेगा. आ जाएगा. If you have understood this, what's the answer? A, B, C raised to 1 by 3. Okay? I'll ask the
Yes.
question. What's the answer? X raised to 1, 1 raised to x, 2 raised to x, 3 raised to x. Upon 3.
6 raised to 1 by 3.
Is this? Yes, absolutely right. 6 raised to 1 by 3 is the answer. A, B, C are replaced by 1, 2, 3. So you have to put here A, B, C is equal to 1, 2, 3. There was A, B, C were numbers. Those numbers are replaced by 2. So you get the answer. Is clear? Everyone, सबका excellent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now,
third
हाँ,
one,
हाँ श्रद्धा बोल.
third question's answer E है का?
Yes. If you have got this, you tell me this also. What is the answer of this? I am not solving second and third. First I am completing this only. Limit as x goes to infinity, a raised to 1 by x plus b raised to 1 by x upon 2 whole raised to x.
Under root A into B.
1 by ABC.
There is no C. Yes, the first student told the answer. Who told that answer?
1 by
Sanjana.
AB to the power 3.
If will it be 3 or 2? How many terms are there? Only 2 terms are there, na? So it will become AB raised to 1 by 2. So that will become AB. Is this clear? Same
Yes,
method
ma'am.
Same method you can solve it, but it is becoming square root of AB. Other here, home.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So that is same question can be asked in all these different forms, but they are the same thing. Now I've changed the different infinity and 1 by x. So 1 by x is 1, you get minus 0, by 2. Let's see. Now let's go to second and third example. Should I run
Ma'am.
this? Yes.
In first question, if we take x मतलब हमने लिया है x is to infinity, अगर हम infinity के जगह 0 लेंगे तो भी आंसर should be same ना?
यहाँ पे a raised to 1 by x कैसे करते?
हाँ, yes ma'am.
No, just see. If I make this as 0, then it will become a raised to 1 by 0 is a raised to infinity. A raised to infinity.
Yes ma'am.
So that time it should be x. अगर यहाँ x and we expect, ठीक है?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay
So
ma'am.
Oh, fine. Let us go now on the second. Solve and get this one. So let me question number 2. What is the put x is equal to 0? Sec of 0 is
0 by 0.
just check. Sec of 0 is 1 by cos 0.
Infinity raised to 0 form.
When raised to 0.
There is some what let me check. I'm giving the wrong option. Sec of 0 is 1 by cos 0, which is 1. And tan of 0 is 0. So this is
0, yeah, it is 1 by 0, finite.
Infinity by, to the power 0.
Integral form. Sec of 0 is 1 by cos 0 raised to tan of 0. So that is nothing but 1 by cos 0 is 1. So it is 1 raised to 0, which is 1. So it is finite. So that is the problem. The question is, this goes to 5 and let us check. Let me check the question. Sec of pi by 2 is 1 by infinity and what of pi by 2? So what is this form? Infinity sec of pi is 1 by cos
0 to 0, no?
check once again. Into part of
Infinity raised to 0.
this is in part of cos of pi by 2 is 0. So 1 by 0 raised to part of pi by 2 is 1 upon 10 of pi by 2. 10 of pi by 2 is
Infinity.
yeah. So this is the 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by infinity and that is it okay? So it is 0 form. This question is infinity raised to 0. Is this clear, everyone? The first question we had is sec raised to 10 theta. And sec of x raised to 10 of x going to 0 is finite element. The value is 1. So it is not indeterminate form, but then indeterminate form because whenever x is equal to pi by 2, 1 by cos pi is 1 by 0, which is infinity, and cos pi by 2 is nothing but 1 by 10 pi by 2, which is 1 by 0. So this is infinity raised to 0. So apply norm on both sides. Yes, tell me what's the function? Cot of x log of sec x. So what's the form of this? What's the form? Cot x
Into
log of sec
infinity.
x. The form.
0 into infinity.
Now apply. Can you apply? First, you convert it either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Which function you are going to take in the denominator?
Cot x.
Cot x you take in the denominator, which will become 10x. And now you check it is which is the form?
Infinity by infinity.
Infinity by infinity. This what again apply. So then it's equal to x equals to pi by 2. What's the derivative of log of sec x?
1 by sec x.
1 by sec x into derivative of sec x. That's sec x times. Derivative of sec x is sec square x. So this one can cancel. Limit x equals to pi by 2. Sin x cos x into 1 by cos square x. So 1 cos square x cancel. In your limit becomes limit x goes to pi by 2 sin x into cos x. Is this okay? Everyone? If you keep
Yes,
it
ma'am.
as it is again and again, you go
Yes,
in
sir.
ऐसे ही अगर if you keep this function then so which will keep on going like that. Okay, so what you have to simplify this and try to get into picture sin and cos, which has one of them to be finite. Sin pi by 2 is finite. So your answer will be cos pi by 2 into sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is cos pi by 2 is
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I put this cos x go in the numerator, cos x into sin x. Try to convert which are going to give you finite length. So tan x cos x. Then cos x. So I substitute that and cos x would cancel. So function cos x into sin. And x goes to pi by 2 sin by 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So log n is 0 means n is e raised to 0. Is it okay? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And the last one, somebody had solved it. This was infinity raised to 0. What was the last question? Limit as? Third one. Limit as x goes to 1 yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One.
X.
Minus 1. 1 upon x minus 1.
Okay. x raised to 1 upon x minus 1. Now this is very straightforward. What's the form which is the indeterminate form? X is 1. 1 upon 1 minus x, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 by 3. Okay, now please everyone solve it quickly. We'll stop there.
E was the answer, ma'am.
What is the answer?
E.
E is the answer. Everybody please try. Try on your own to solve it. And if you are not getting, you ask me. You have to apply log on both sides. Okay. You are also getting. Put in the chat box if you are getting the answer. Okay. I'll take your attendance simultaneously. Roll number 1. Ved.
Present, ma'am.
Oh. 2 is present. 3.
Present, ma'am.
4.
Present, ma'am.
5.
Present, ma'am.
6. 7.
Present, ma'am.
8. Shailesh are not present. 9.
Present, ma'am.
10. 11.
Present, ma'am.
12.
Present, ma'am.
13.
Present, ma'am.
14.
Present, ma'am.
15. 16.
Present.
17.
Present, ma'am.
18. 19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21. 22. 23.